Spot gain or reduction is regrettably not achievable. Putting on weight is the best approach to make your breasts larger. A breast growth diet, however, might assist in naturally enlarging your breasts. In addition to consuming these meals, you can experiment with additional techniques to make your breasts appear bigger. Perhaps it looks too wonderful to be true. Indeed, certain meals might make your breasts appear bigger. Therefore, you might try eating foods that increase your breasts if you don't want to get surgery. We'll tell you what foods are excellent for growing breasts. 1. Soy products. As it happens, soy milk is a great source of estrogen-impersonating isoflavones. As a result, it may promote the growth of breast tissue. Additionally, soy can aid in enlarging the breasts. Products made from soy are advantageous since they lower the incidence of breast cancer. You can incorporate soy products into your other meals and have a serving of soy milk every morning. 2. Tofu. Another soy byproduct with a high isoflavone content is tofu. You can include tofu in your weekly eating schedule. However, since you need to maintain a healthy amount of estrogen, avoid consuming too many soy products. 3. Fennel seeds. Phytoestrogens, which are essential for breast augmentation, are abundant in fennel seeds. They also include flavonoids, natural plant hormones, and aromatic compounds that promote the development of breast tissue and raise milk production, such as fenchone, anethole, and straggle. Herbalists have always employed fennel seeds to support nursing mothers' breast health. 4. Milk reproductive hormones. Comparable to those found in human bodies, are present in all dairy products. To help in milk production, prolactin, progesterone, and estrogen are found in cow's milk. Because milk contains estrogen, it contributes to breast growth. A glass of milk is fine to have both in the morning and at night. 5. Beetroots and beet greens. Elevated estrogen levels are found in both beetroot and beet greens. Additionally, they include boron, which helps the body synthesize estrogen. As a result, beets and beet greens can increase breast size and naturally replenish estrogen in your body. 6. Root vegetables. Because carrots contain estrogen precursors, they can help you increase the size of your breasts. Additionally, they have special indigestible fibers that help the body rid itself of excess estrogen. This is significant because elevated estrogen levels may result in breast enlargement, discomfort, and even fibrocystic tumors. In addition, carrots are a great source of antioxidants, beta-carotene, and other essential vitamins and minerals. 7. Chicken. Indeed, eating chicken is good for your reproductive system. Strong nutrients found in chicken have the ability to increase estrogen levels in the body more quickly. You may enjoy chicken once or twice a week. 8. Nuts. Numerous nuts, including pistachios, walnuts, cashews, peanuts, and pecans, are high in phytoestrogens or estrogen. Of the nuts that are advised, pistachios contain the highest amount of phytoestrogen. Walnuts, cashews, and almonds all contain significant amounts of phytoestrogens, though. The increased estrogen dosage will help with breast development. 9. Papaya. Papaya has high estrogen content. Eating papaya with milk is one of the greatest methods to observe the results. This is a well-liked home treatment for increasing breast size. Avoid consuming too much milk, as it could result in diarrhea. Women who are pregnant should absolutely avoid this. For those who are lactose intolerant, papaya can be consumed instead of milk. 10. Fenugreek. Seeds. Fenugreek seeds aid in greater mammary gland growth since they are high in phytoestrogen. These seeds are excellent for promoting better hair growth and weight loss. On the other hand, fenugreek seeds contain phytoestrogens and diosgenin, which help the hormone prolactin promote breast growth. You can massage your breasts with fenugreek oil or incorporate a spoonful of fenugreek seeds into your regular diet. 11th. Vegetables. High in estrogen are flax seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. They are perfect for your breasts to grow into. One of the finest foods for natural breast augmentation that encourages the formation of breast tissue is flaxseed. Sesame, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds are among the other seeds that can increase estrogen levels and promote breast growth.